Hi everyone, back again for the second exercise of this unit about complex numbers. Today we're going to look at multiplication and division, and we'll start off with a quick one just about multiplication, because multiplication is actually not too challenging. So I have written, let me get out of the way. So I've written this ahead of time, and you can see, just using the distributive law, this algebraic example here, a plus bi times c plus di, is very simple if we just expand the brackets, okay? So that's a times a c plus di plus bi times a c plus di. And when we expand it all out, we've just got these real numbers here. So two real numbers are obviously a real number. And then we've got this number over here that has two i's in the factor, okay? And that is going to make I squared, so that we'll have a -1 involved. But I'm also collecting like terms, so to speak, with the ones that are multiplied by I. So I've got my AD and BC times I, so I've separated them out here. Now, because this has the -1, as we said, we collect everything together and we're left with the real numbers here and the coefficients of I here. Okay, so we just collect the real and imaginary terms. Okay, and we're left with another complex number. So let's put that in action. Let's have a go at this example here. We've got this Z1, 3 minus 2i, and a Z2, 1 plus I. Now, if we're going to find Z1 times Z2, well, let's start by writing these out in brackets and following the distributive process that we had above. So 3 times 1 plus I and minus 2i times 1 plus I. So clearly we've got 3 plus 3i and minus 2i times 1 and minus 2i times I. So of course 3 stays the same. 3i minus 2i is 1i, and we now get minus 2 times minus 1 because I squared is -1. So minus 2 times -1 is +2, so we've got 5 plus I. So that's it. That's what the multiplication of two complex numbers is. It's not challenging. You should be able to get straight on to question 5 in the book. Also, being specialist students, you're probably confident with your algebra and other arithmetic processes. So if you can see a shortcut to sort of see it and write it out correctly in 1 or 2 steps, by all means, do that, okay? Because, yeah, this is not supposed to be too challenging. All right, I'll see you in the next bit.